Hi guys, Kate from Packhelp here. I hope you're having a good day. I've got a very simple tutorial for you today. I'm going to be folding a classic product box. This is a generic design from Packhelp. You can use these boxes for basically anything. My favorite use of this box is from Happy Socks, because they've got such colorful socks. They're so happy. And what's really cool is that you get the color even on the inside, and it's just, I don't know. I like these boxes. Let's get folding. So they come in flat. So what you do first is just make them 3D. First, fold the top. Simple top folding like any box. Turn it upside down so you have a nice and secure base. First, fold the cut-in edge sort of shape. In you go. And then the sides. Make sure it makes a click so that you know it's securely tight. And then all you've got left is this tongue, and it goes in just like an envelope. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, then leave a like, subscribe, and follow us, and keep up to date with different tutorials. If it's a bit too easy for you, we do other videos. We've got unboxings. We tell you about the news in the industry. We're fun. Check us out. If you have any questions, then leave a comment, and we'll be sure to get back to you. See you soon.